My name is Lisa Pellizzaro and I'm here to represent company Bellelli SRL, established in 1994. We are an Italian company which was established by Mr. Tiziano Bellelli and Miss Estella Pasquini. Company Bellelli focuses on safety for children, so we are producing a complete and wide range of car seats and bike seats for babies and children of all ages. For example, for the car seats, we have a complete range from group 0 plus to group 2-3, so booster seats, for example. And as far as the bike seat is concerned, we are manufacturing, of course, everything in Italy, a complete range of front and rear bike seats, from an entry level to a luxury level. So we have products basically for all people's needs.